Are you looking for a job you can do online? Do you use Facebook? Hundreds of businesses are currently hiring new Facebook chat assistants to chat with their customers on Facebook. There are a lot of positions available for people from all countries, and because of the high demand for new workers, entry-level jobs are paying $25 per hour. Thinking about what you will be doing. As a Facebook Live chat assistant, you will be paid to log in to the business's Facebook account and respond to frequently asked questions from customers. These are normally things like prices, refund policies, and giving out discount codes. Full training is provided, and training takes less than a day, and there's no fixed contract term. What skills or background needed? You must have a device able to access social media and website chat functions, phone, tablet, or laptop. Be able to work independently. Ability to closely follow provided steps and instructions. Have 10+ hours availability per week. Reliable internet connection. Facebook chat assistants are in huge demand worldwide right now. Check out the link below to learn more. I am Adam from dbuffs.com, and thanks for watching.